Good morning, welcome everybody. This is UKZN podcast. Sicela ukuthi press like, share a comment. It is free or engage. Do you all remember Rachel Nkosi? Rachel has shared an update about her life, and she has recently made a big change with regard to the car she uses. The former wife of Springbok captain Siya Kolisi took to social media and showed off her new ride, which is completely different from her Mercedes-Benz with the millions. Rachel Nkosi left tongues wagging after she shared that she no longer drives a Mercedes-Benz, but she now drives a Yaris. So Rachel had people buzzing on social media after she posted that the new car in her life, which is Yaris, she doesn't feel safe in it and all of that. So the recent change of imoto has brought so many opinions from social media. Abantu bethi they hate what Siya Kolisi is doing to Rachel, and then because Rachel is taking care of Siya Kolisi's family, as in the siblings, right? And njengoba nje ethatha ama siblings akhe kusho ukuthi fanele ngabe uSiya uyamnakekela. uRachel ke lo wrote lapha ku Instagram wathi, life has a funny way of humbling you. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, one day you are riding high, the next year asking for a friend to ban their specific card, and then the next thing you're asking a friend to borrow you their car, and now you are asking Google how to parallel park a Yaris with dignity. And then was a post like Mercedes-Benz was said goodbye, and then was said new wheels. Who's this? According to Rachel, uthike iMercedes yakhe bekusuku lokugcina ukuthi ayidrive izolo kuba siyaphoqeleka ukuthi kumele ahamba ibuyisele esitolo. Manje akakwazi uku-afford imoto, ubesecela umngane wakhe ukuthi amboleke iYaris. According to Rachel, uRachel Nkosi uthi akakwazi ukudrive iYaris ngoba phela come on now, uyinkosikazi ye Springbok captain Siya Kolisi, bahamba amazwe ngamazwe, they've been all over. And so uthi ke yena impilo nje lempilo manje yokudowngrade akayazi. However ke uzozama ngoba uyazi ukuthi impilo inayo indlela ukuthi ihamblishe umuntu and ufile ngathi usehambishekile. Bantu ke babesebengena ke kuya social post yakhe ke bamusha, abanye bayamthuka, abanye bathi ufuna nje uphethe ukuba ispoil bread somlungu, abanye bathi hawu Siya Nkosi yami kanti divorce isebenza kanjani kwaphela yabo. Sizokhumbula ukuthi uRachel ke khona ke futhi emavikini amba noma enyangeni ezimbaluke wayenkantolo eyolwa noSiya Kolisi bebanga ukuthi uxoshiwe lapha kuSiya Kolisi Foundation. Ngokusho kwakhe uthi uxoshwe ngendlela angayazi nendlela angayi-understand, ngoba ngalabaningi ke phela ngoba bekuyena uCEO wakuleya company. Manje asazi noma idivorce yabo ile ma divorce esihlamba ama nasty divorce ebhedayi, divorce ekuxatshwana kuyona ukubanga izinto ukuthi ubani uthatha ukuthi, kodwa sikubonile uSiya Kolisi akwenzile regardless ke ukuxabana kwabo okanye ungazwani kwabo, but family yaka Siya Kolisi ilokhu ihleli naye abobhuti bakhe nosisi wakhe lokhu ihleli no Rachel like how it was, akazange amxoshe athi abahambe even though yena noSiya bengasalentuzo. Usisi ka Siya Kolisi omncane uhlala no Rachel, uyamhambisa la kuma matric dance, siyambona nje uthi usa hands on njengamanje kwaphela. Sizokhumbula ukuthi uSiya Kolisi washonelwa abazali, and uRachel wasethatha over ke izingane ke zakubo kwaSiya, wazikhulisa nezingane lezi zakhe. Abantu abaningi abanye bamblame uRachel bathi hayi suka uphethe ukuba sport bread le moto khona ngayo imoto ekade nikeza oMercedes, so ufuna aba sponsors yabona nje kwale. And you can't believe ukuthi uSiya kanye no Rachel was one of the best couples ever. Ake kodwa ke yena ke uyagoisha ke uRachel ngoba yena unakuthi ayavela ku social media afika yokhala nje abhale ahlale ehleli phansi abalise asho ukuthi uhamba yedwa sema holiday. Hey yabona umjolo mjolo awuna agenda, mjolo awuna Antoni agenda, mjolo ma abafana sebegila nje, abantu bakufana bagila nje Nkosi yami ukhuluma isingisi bakutshela ungasikhulumi, bagila umlungu, bagila intombazane emnyama, bagila unama hips, bagila une BBL. they will deal with you and they will humble you and uzoba heartbroken. Siyasitela ngendlela ehlukene ngama heartbreak ke. uRachel yakhe yenkosi yami ayikayifihlanga umgo wakhe nje bese kumsukile nje uyahamba nje ayokhalela lapha ya bese ke simduduzeke nathi sithi awusikoni kuzophela phela kube njaya. Please make sure guys ukuthi you subscribe kule channel kumahhala usubscribe ukwenzani ukucofoza lapha yana ku channel egameni lakhona nje. That's it. Usucopozele lapho usiKZN podcast ukuthi subscribe ukuze uthola ama alerts uma ngabe sikhona sipostile itori. Sibuye ngenkani ke manje uJohn wonke siyaposta sicela isupport yenu. Share ama comment la. Mocabanga ke wena njengamanje uRachel ngoba ngempela ehlupheka usiyaye ngamnikeza imali o ufuna nje isympathy yethu ku social media ukuze athola ama sponsored car.